Assalamu alaikum and thank you for joining me. It's about midnight, 12 o'clock here in South Africa, and it's 31st of May. We're just getting into June. I cannot sleep tonight again because of severe pain, but going through the news, astaghfirullah, I just saw this very sad headlines that a Pakistani woman arrested for killing her own 18-year-old teenage daughter. She wanted her teenage daughter to get married to someone in Pakistan. They were living in Italy. Let me clarify. The Pakistani family was living in Italy. And this 18-year-old girl who did not want to go to Pakistan to get married in an arranged marriage. Because she refused, her own mother killed her. Her own mother, a Muslim lady from Pakistan, killed her own daughter because the daughter said she wants to decide who she wants to get married to. This is very sad, very tragic, very wrong. In the old days, before Islam came into the Arabian Peninsula, we had the old days of Jahiliyyah. Jahiliyyah means darkness. It means the age of ignorance, where it was shameful to have daughters, and daughters were buried alive until they suffocated with the sand, and with the suffocation they died. It seems like in modern times we have the modern Jahiliyyah where mothers are killing their own children. Daughters are being killed by their mother. This is the new age of the new Jahiliyyah. This is not Islam. Do not judge Islam by the action of a few ignorant people in Jahiliyyah. This is very, very wrong, and it must be condemned outright. Does this woman not understand that on the day of Qiyamah she will be standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Does she not know that her Kiram and Katibin witnessed the murder that she did of her own daughter? Just because her daughter did not want to return from Italy to go back to Pakistan to marry an arranged marriage, she murders her own daughter. And then in the autopsy, and then she refused to say where her daughter was. They just reported her missing until finally the uncle admitted to the police where the daughter was buried. They buried her on a farm, not far from the house. When they dug up the body, they did an autopsy. They found the neck was broken because the mother strangled her. The 18-year-old child couldn't breathe. Like in the old days when you bury your daughter alive, yeah, the mother is strangling her daughter. We as doctors, we save lives. How can this mother strangulate her own daughter? Do you know how long it takes to strangulate someone? It takes 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes of holding that tight like that. Astaghfirullah. This is very wrong. Stop this abuse of women. Stop killing our women. Stop killing our children. Please, this is not what Islam teaches. I am shocked and I am horrified, and I am appealing to the ulama. The ulama are the heirs of the prophets. The ulama in South Africa, the ulama in Pakistan, the ulama in Afghanistan, the ulama in Bangladesh, the ulama in Malaysia, the ulama in Indonesia, the ulama in the Arabian countries. Please stand up and explain to these people to stop killing our children because of so-called honor killing. This is not Islam. We must move away from this Jahiliyyah thinking. The ulama are responsible if this continues. Please, ulama, stand up and talk about it from the mimbar. Please, I am appealing to you. Please, this must stop. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.